So our next stop in San Francisco is Chinatown. Now, Chinatown started in the 1840s as immigrants came from China during the gold rush. Now, in the 1906 fire and earthquake, most of Chinatown was torn down or burnt down, and the city wanted to move it outside the city limits due to racism issues. Well, the Chinese built right back in the exact same spot, and they started to incorporate more of their culture into the construction, which was designed to make it a tourist attraction, and they accomplished their goal. So I'm going to go hopefully find a nice little surprise down this alley here. I found it online. I hope it's still open. How cool is that? You can make your own personalized fortune. It's $2 per fortune cookie. They give you a little bag or box and everything. So they also have an experience. It's $25 for 3 minutes where they teach you how to make fortune cookies. So if that's something you want to do, come on over here to the Fortune Cookie Company. So I was talking to a lady in the fortune cookie store, and she said that the two of them can make over 5,000 fortune cookies in a day. That's insane. The produce here is phenomenal. Like, it's so green and colorful and red and orange. Like, it's just vibrant colors. It looks so fresh.